This is Joseph and you're watching Credit Commit. The 5 FICO scoring factors, we're going to discuss them today. If you do want to see any more credit videos, go ahead and subscribe below. Hit the bell notification, give this video a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and let's go over the 5 factors that actually are affecting the FICO score. The first factor is going to be payment history. It's 35% of the FICO score, your payment history, so it's actually one of the largest parts of the FICO factor. Whether you be on-time payments or if it's late payments, that's going to affect the FICO score. You want to do on-time payments all the time. You don't want any late payments. You don't want to see 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. We don't want any late payments. That's going to be 35% of the payment history on your FICO score. The next one was going to be the amount owed. Amount owed would be pretty much how much you owe on your credit cards, how much you owe on a mortgage, how much you owe on a car note. Everything all together, that's going to be 30% of the FICO score. 10% is going to be new credit. That's 10% of your FICO score. And you don't really want to open new credit cards too often. You want to stay between 2 to 3 credit cards a year. We want to stay below 5 for 24 months. That's just a standard, and Chase actually has a 524 rule where you won't get all these bonus points and things like that if you open 5 credit cards within 24 months. So that's something to be wary of as well when you're looking at these 5 different factors of the FICO score. Now let's look at length of credit history. That's going to be 15% of your FICO score. 15% is going to be length of the credit history. That's going to be pretty much how long your credit's been open. So if you have a credit card that was open for 10 years, but then you have a new one you just opened, the average length is going to be about 5 years. That's going to be something to take into account when you're opening new credit cards. You want to have your length of history as long as possible. You don't want to close old cards for this. So you will want to keep an old card active. So you want to put $20 on gas, put Netflix on there, and then just do an automatic payment to it. That way, you're always having a long length of credit history. The longer the history, the better it is going to be for your credit, and that affects 15% of your credit. Something that affects 10% of your credit is going to be the credit mix. So the credit mix would be your open-ended cards like the American Expresses, your store cards, your regular Visa and MasterCard, student loans, car loans. You know, once you have different types of credit, that's going to be the mix. That's going to be 10%. So to review, let's go over those 5 scoring factors one more time. Again, 35% is going to be for payment history, 35% of your FICO score. 30% is the amount owed on your FICO score, 10% for new credit, 15% for length of history, and 10% for credit mix. All right, so those are going to be the different factors of your FICO score. We don't know the exact formula that these credit bureaus are using, that they are secret formulas. You might have the same exact thing from TransUnion, but Equifax might give you a different score by different points. Usually your scores are going to stay around the same level, so you might have a 671 here, and over here you might have a 675. They're going to all be within 5 or 10 points of each other. The only way I would see something, you know, skewed a little bit differently is if you have a whole bunch of accounts only reporting to TransUnion and nothing going to Experian or anything like that. If they're not reporting to Experian and Equifax and TransUnion, then you can see it skewed a little bit more depending on what it is you do have on your credit. That's going to be it for this video. And again, we just went over the 5 scoring factors for the FICO. If you're looking for more credit videos, you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you do want to get the credit blueprint, the actionable plan, there is a link in the description as well. Go ahead and follow that link and you can download it. We also do daily videos as well. So if you are looking to boost your credit, we do have daily videos. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell for notifications. So that way, anytime we upload a video, you're going to go ahead and get the notifications sent right to you. Other than that, we're going to see you on the next video. Again, go ahead and subscribe below. Thank you for watching that video. Go ahead and subscribe below. We do have another video to the right. Let's go ahead and check out this video. Go ahead and click my face and you can subscribe below as well. We got another video to the right, more about credit, more about boosting your score. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Subscribe below, click the right video, and we're out of here, man. Daily